Unusual dominoes, logic puzzles, Sudoku, a maze, and even a game from the North Pole? Learn how to make fun logic games for you and your friends in our new video. What a boring day! The girls have already played all the games on their phones, and now they don't know what to do. They are bored to death. But Stevie's epic appearance changes everything. He is his grandpa's inheritance. No more boredom. Let's solve a puzzle. Cut a square out of a foam board to fit a box. Attach a printed portrait to it. Draw squares on the foam board and cut it with a utility knife. Put the portrait into the box. Take away the last square, just like in a 15-piece puzzle. What a weird puzzle! Samantha takes out an image of someone's jaw. No. You can't take the pieces out of the box. According to the rules, you have to move them inside the box and put the picture together. Jessica mixes up all parts of the face. Don't rush. Take your time. At last, we solved the 15-piece puzzle. It's a picture of Stevie's grandpa. So this is the maker of the game. The friends want to keep playing. Where should Stevie get a new game from? Of course, from his phone. He finds IQ Pro-Fi and turns it into a reality right away. Put big beads onto a toothpick. Fasten them with Superglue. Cut off the remaining toothpick. Heat an awl and prick a hole at the side of the last bead. Stick in a toothpick. Put on a bead. Cut off the excess with cutting pliers. Make different pieces the same way. Color all the pieces with different acrylic paints. Put them into a box. What kind of game is this? The girls love these bright beads. You have to make a pyramid out of the pieces. And all the pieces should be where they belong. The friends are solving the 3D puzzle. It's pretty difficult, but also very exciting. At last, all the pieces make a pyramid. Yay! We passed the IQ test. Samantha has a makeup bag in her hands. How come? Jessica and Stevie want to play, not fix their makeup. That's great, because Samantha has a logic game with tricky bugs in the bag. Attach a picture of a game field with bugs to thick cardboard. Cut it out. Make the back of the field out of cardboard. Attach a magnetic strip to it. Hot glue the game field on top. Decorate the backside with a printed picture of green leaves. Cover the joinings with decorative tape. Cut game pieces from thick decorative cardboard. Hot glue magnets to the back. Attach the game pieces onto the field to cover the unneeded bugs. Print out cards with levels and tasks. Hot glue 2 pieces of faux leather to make a case. Attach Velcro and put in the game. Samantha sets her bugs free and explains the rules. You have to make up a combination of bugs according to the task on your card. And cover the bugs you don't need with the game pieces. Stevie manages to quickly collect the bugs from the task. He's the lord of the bugs. Don't rush, just pass the second level first. While Stevie was thinking about the destiny of the bugs, Jessica put the entire combination together. Good job! It's a great victory! Jessica is the Empress of Ladybugs. The friends are bored again, but cookies inspire Jessica, and it seems like she came up with a game. Come on, make way for the future of games. Place a printed game field onto sheets of cardboard. Fasten them with binder clips. Score the outlines with an empty ballpoint pen. Coat the cardboard field with acrylic paints. Color the tracks along the scored lines when the paint is dry. Cut the field. Put the pieces into a box. Add a decorative heart to the top. Jessica comes back with a new game. Let's see what's in here. The rules are simple. You have to put the cards together to make a colored pattern of roads. What a nice idea! Good job, Jessica! The friends build the Rainbow Highway with so much enthusiasm. They create a whole map. Where did Stevie go? Is he stuck at the North Pole? He actually is! Stevie comes back from the Arctic and he is very cold. What was he doing there? It turns out Stevie went on an expedition to the North Pole to get a new game. Draw outlines of the sea and ice blocks on thick paper. Paint the sea blue. Make 4 game fields. Draw squares on the 5th sheet. Place clear plastic on top and cut out different pieces following the template. Attach double-sided tape to a decorative color-changing foam sheet as a base. Cut out a few fish. Attach a rhinestone to be an eye. Make bears from a glittering white foam sheet. Draw details with a marker. Cut a whale out of shiny black felt. Add details with white paint. Make an Eskimo out of brown felt pieces. Attach them together. Add details with a marker and paints. Make an oar for the Eskimo out of a toothpick and a coffee stirrer. Attach all the pieces to the plastic. And place them onto the field. Fish and the Eskimo has to be in the sea. And a polar bear on a block of ice. Put the game into a box. The friends take out all the pieces and assemble the biosphere of the North Pole. You have to place the sea dwellers and the polar bears where they belong, in the sea or on a block of ice. While Stevie is warming up, the girls have already finished one field. This game is amazing, Stevie! Thanks for freezing your nose to find it! We are still bored. Everyone is busy with stupid stuff. We wish we could find anything fun to do. Stevie suggests performing tricks. But his career as a magician fails. Then Stevie decides to show the girls some real magic. He needs natural ingredients, a huge pot, and self-confidence. He's mixing a potion. Let's add some fire. The girls are frozen in anticipation. What is he up to? Brave Jessica puts her hand into the smoking pot and takes out a brand new game of triominoes. Draw equilateral triangles on a wooden board. Ask adults to help cut them out with a Fretsaw. Polish every piece with sandpaper. We get 46 triangles. Paint dots according to the domino principle on the corners of every triangle. Cut the name of the game out of a foam sheet. Attach the letters to the top of a craft paper box. Wow! Thanks, Stevie! The rules of the game are simple. You have to put the triangles with identical signs together, following the rules of dominoes. The friends are doing great! Our friends are telling fun stories, but suddenly they get a package. It's an envelope with a weird piece of cardboard and some mysterious squares. You're wrong! This is a simple game of Sudoku. Draw squares on a sheet of cardboard. Define the borders with markers. Cut out 4 foam paper figures. Make 4 pieces of each. The friends start playing. You have to put the pieces onto the field so there are no identical pieces in a row. It requires some logical skills. Our team succeeds! Great job! Samantha is being held hostage by a maze game. She's rolling the balls like a zombie and nothing can distract her. Take the mechanism out of a broken clock. Put in a piece of plywood. Fasten it with coffee stirrers around the perimeter. Draw a circle inside with compasses. Cut an old yoga mat into strips. Glue them to the lines as maze walls. Leave gaps. Put beads into the maze. Assemble the body of the clock. The friends are trying out different methods to distract Samantha, but it's all for nothing. It's not that simple to get out of the zombie maze. Songs and screams don't help, even when her friend passes out. Nothing! Samantha and the game are one and the same now. Come back! At last, the friends take the game away by force. But they fall into the same trap. Everyone is possessed by this maze. Did you like our logic games? Then write in the comments which fun game you would play with your friends. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new game ideas on Troom Troom.